How to track debt payoff with Credit Karma tools. First of all, open your web browser and go to the official Credit Karma website. Log into your account using your registered email and password. Once you are on the dashboard, navigate to the credit score section from the main menu. Here you will find various features designed to help you track your debts and payments. Look for the free credit monitoring feature that helps you track your debt payoff. This will give you a clear overview of your current debts, including credit cards, loans, and other balances. Next, review the detailed breakdown of your accounts. Credit Karma categorizes your debts by type and shows your current balances along with minimum payments. This makes it easier to see where your money is going. Additionally, Credit Karma offers personalized insights and recommendations to help improve your credit health, including advice on paying down debt more efficiently. You can also use the debt repayment calculator to estimate how long it might take to pay off your credit card debt. Now you know how to track your debt payoff using Credit Karma's available tools. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more financial tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.